Dear students, welcome to Kota Maths Lab video tutorials. If you have any doubts, clarifications, suggestions, you can please mail us on kotamatslab@gmail.com. In this video, we are going to discuss a problem on concept of similarity of triangles and areas of the similar triangles. The question says, let us see what the question is about. In triangle ABC, PQ is parallel to BC. Therefore, we will write PQ parallel to BC. And AP is to PB is equal to 7:4. AP is to PB is equal to 7:4. Then find the area triangle PQR, ratio of the area of triangle PQR to area triangle RCB. That is PQR triangle area, that is this area, and to this area. We need to find the area of these two the ratio of these two areas of the triangles. Fantastic. These two areas we need to find. Let us see. We'll start the solution. Dear friends, let's begin the solution here. Keep watching carefully. Have complete concentration towards this. In triangle APQ and ABC, that is in triangle APQ and ABC, that is we need to prove that both of these two are similar, and we shall do that. That is in triangle APB and triangle ABC. First, we will have to take the sides angles of APB triangle and then ABC triangle. Come on. Angle APQ is equal to angle APQ is equal to angle ABC. And similarly, AQP is equal to ACB. That is AQP is equal to angle ACB. Both of these two are for a reason, single reason. That is PQ is parallel to BC. PQ is parallel to BC given. Therefore, I will write PQ parallel to BC, and hence they are corresponding angles. And we have one more angle, that is PAQ is equal to BAC. Angle PAQ is equal to angle BAC. This is a common angle, and hence the triangle APB is similar to triangle ABC. Therefore, triangle APB is similar to triangle ABC. This is for AA criteria of similarity. Once we write the similarity of the triangles, then we can write the corresponding sides ratio. That is, we will take it like this: AP by AB is equal to AQ divided by AC, PQ divided by BC. That is, we will write here AP divided by AB is equal to AQ divided by AC is equal to PQ divided by BC. We will call this as equation number 1, which is to be used a little later in the next stages. Now, I wish to take, because I want to find the ratio of area of triangle PQR and RCB, PQR and RCB, these two triangles, PQR and RCB, these two are to be taken, and hence what we will do is, we will prove both of these two triangles are similar first. Then in triangle PQR and RCB, PQR in triangle PQR and triangle RCB. Well, then we say angle PQR is equal to angle PQR is equal to angle RBC. Angle RBC. Angle PQR is equal to angle RBC because both of these two are alternate angles, and hence we write, so, and angle QPR is equal to angle RCB. Here we will write for both of these two single reason. Reason is PQ parallel to BC and alternate angles. And we also have one more angle, that is PRQ is equal to BRC because they are vertically opposite angles. That is angle PRQ is equal to angle BRC. These are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, we finally write that these two triangles are similar. That is, triangle PQR is similar to triangle RCB. Triangle PQR is similar to triangle RCB. When we write like this, we have we will write here area triangle PQR upon area triangle BRC is equal to corresponding sides ratio square, that is PQ square divided by BC square. I repeat, area triangle PQR divided by area triangle RBC is equal to square of PQ divided by square of BC. This is from areas of the ratio of the areas of the similar triangles is equal to the square on their corresponding sides. This is what you have used. This is equal to. But from equation 1, go back to the previous page. Here, equation 1 stated that AP divided by AB is equal to PQ divided by BC. That we will use. PQ divided by BC is equal to AP divided by AB. Since it is square, we will write AP square and AB square. Friends, again we will go back to our data. Question given is here AP is to PB is equal to 7 is to 4. That means AP is 7, BP is 4. That is 7 times of some value, 4 times of some value. Therefore, AB will be 11 times of some value. That is, we will write it as 7 square divided by AB means AP plus PB, that is 7 plus 4 square. That's equal to 49 divided by 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 square 121. Therefore, we finally conclude that area triangle PQR ratio area triangle BRC is equal to 49 is to 121. This is what you wanted your result to be. Dear friends, always while you are solving problems, please note that you will be using all your knowledge parameters and apply them at a suitable situation. Dear friends, to receive such mathematical videos every day, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Kota Maths Lab video tutorials, and any doubts please mail us on kotamathslab@gmail.com. If you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks for your support. Wish you happy learning.